If this is the first video you found while looking for the next video to watch, then this is the first video you should click off, because this video contains the makeup look of Violet Baudelaire from the last season of A Series of Unfortunate Events. Because this video is full of nothing but sadness and woe, and your time would be better spent watching a video that is more pleasant. So obviously today we're finally back to doing A Series of Unfortunate Events makeup looks. This one is of Violet Baudelaire when she is on the slippery slope looking for VFD headquarters. I apologize for my nasal voice. I've had a cold all week and I just can't shake it. Hopefully it'll go away. I don't know. Maybe this is just what I sound like now. Worked for Fran Drescher. But anyway, let's get started on our Violet Baudelaire A Slippery Slope Series of Unfortunate Events makeup look. So, I already covered my face with this foundation from MAC Studio Fix Fluid in NW10. Now onto Violet's eyes. She is not wearing a lot of makeup. She just has very nice lashes and maybe just a little bit of contour on the eyes. So we'll just quickly do that. So I'm going to take these two light shades from Urban Decay, Kinky and Freestyle, and I'm going to put the lightest one all over the eye, and then the slightly darker one, take it through the crease. Now in with the darker shade. So then we have a very subtle, very natural eyeshadow. Just a slight contour to the shape of the eyes. Nothing bold. Then we're going to take a matte black eyeshadow. I like Blackout from Urban Decay. And we're going to take it on a tiny angled brush and push it and press it into the lash line just to give the effect of fuller lashes. So you can see, very natural, doesn't look like we're really wearing any eyeliner or anything, but it just makes the lashes look a little thicker. And so you just stamp it on and follow your own lash line. So then to make eyes look even wider, we're going to take a white eyeliner pencil and run that along the lower waterline. So then we're going to take mascara. This one is one of my favorites. It's from Urban Decay, Perversion mascara, and put it on the top and bottom lashes. And then I was going to add some little lashes, but this mascara is so awesome, I think it almost gives the effect of the false lash look that I was going to be going for. So go Urban Decay. Next, I'm going to clean up any fallout I've had from anything and cover up the dark circles left from my cold with a concealer from Maybelline. Then Violet doesn't have a strong contour going on, but she's got a little bit. I'm going to take the shade from NYX Pro Highlight and Contour Palette and just do a little bit under my cheekbone. So Violet's cheeks are quite rosy and flushed, maybe because she's on top of a snow-covered mountain and it's a little chilly. I'm going to take my favorite blush, you can tell I use it a lot, from L'Oreal, and it is in the shade Baby Blossom, and put that all over my cheeks. And then just put a little bit, the tip of the nose. I don't need a lot because I've had a cold all week. Then we're going to hit the top of the cheekbones and down the nose with a little bit of highlighter from the same NYX palette. That highlighter right there, the whitest one. Then Violet's lips are sort of a natural shade. I'm going to go in with this shade from Too Faced. It's called Sellout in their Melted Matte, and then put a gloss over it. So here we have our finished Violet Baudelaire look. The lip color came out darker than I was planning, so I just blotted it with some Kleenex and put some clear balm over it. But this is our Violet look. Fortunately, I have bangs. Very natural, nice everyday look. Lots of blush. Thank you for watching this miserable video. Maybe I'll sound less nasal next time. I don't know. Maybe I just sound this way now. Don't stay tuned for more unfortunate looks. Do not check out the blog for all the other series of unfortunate events looks I've done, unless you're a person who enjoys despair. Thanks for watching. I'll see you next time. Bye.